Hi, I'm Lisa Dreyer from Women's Health Magazine. There are times when everything just seems to be piling up: presentations, papers, and exams. But before you start stressing out, here are some simple tips to help you relax. And no, they don't involve medication or alcohol. The first thing you can try is drinking a cup of green tea. Not only is green tea great for your metabolism and skin, it also contains theanine. This is an amino acid that promotes relaxation. Foods that boost serotonin may also help you feel more calm. They include, brace yourself, cookies, candy, ice cream, pretzels, and other sweet or starchy foods. These have a soothing effect because carbs can actually help raise your serotonin levels, which leads to feelings of contentment. Just be sure to keep your portions in check. And lastly, grab the iPod. It's medically proven that soothing music can slow down breathing and heart rate, lower blood pressure, and relax tense muscles. The music choice is up to you. If Metallica soothes you, then go for it. To hear more relaxation methods, click on Watch More. And for additional tips on staying healthy, log on to womenshealthmag.com.